Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back. Thanks for joining. All right, today I want to pick up where I left off a bit back, a week or two ago, 3 weeks ago, I don't know. I bought a Harbor Freight bench grinder, and as you saw in that video, I picked up a wire wheel for it. I used that wire wheel on the latch pieces for the hatch on the Land Cruiser. Worked out pretty well, but now I want to take some of this hardware. This is all stuff from the MR2 parts car that I picked up, and I want to clean this stuff up. If you know much about Toyota hardware and maybe most manufacturers, the thing is that you might have a bolt. I'm trying to find, like, let's say a 14 millimeter bolt, and if you lose this, that's a 14 millimeter head, or it takes a 14 millimeter socket. If you lose this, to get the correct thread diameter in a standard hex head bolt, now instead of having a 14 millimeter, it might be a 15 millimeter that you need. And that's a pain in the butt. Plus, factory hardware is really well made. But this is an old car, it sat for a while. I want to clean it up. I want to see if I can make this look a lot better and be usable on my future projects. So I'm going to do this, and maybe you're going to watch. Hell if I know. All right, I spent a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4. This is an example of what I started with. Again, this car's been sitting out a long time, and you got some surface rust on there. The threads are kind of gross. And after just about, 2, 3, 4 minutes, maybe, and this is just a couple that I did, this is what you end up with. Almost all that surface rust or any kind of Loctite that's been used, thread locker, it's all gone. Comparing side by side, yeah, it looks a lot better. So, is it worth it? Is it worth the $40 or whatever to pick up the Bauer bench grinder? I'd say yeah. I'd say that based on how much this hardware costs from the factory, if you go to Toyota and buy any one of these, it's probably going to cost you $2 or $3, which is nuts. Well, if I can save $2 a pop, it'll quickly make up. If I have some of these laying around, I can quickly make that money back and reuse the things that I have. The downsides, those little wire bristles, they do come off. They will get embedded into your arm. Actually, I pulled a couple out when I was done. So, that sucks. But yeah, I like this product. I think it's well worth the money. I need to really secure it to my table a little bit better. But yeah, it's all right. Y'all take care.